Hi, this is Helen McMillan from Helen McMillan Coaching, and I wanted to invite you to a very special event that I hold at the end of the year, every year. I don't always offer it to the general public. I always do it for my clients, and occasionally, every few years, I do offer it to the general public. So this is one of those years, and it's called the Ignite Possibilities Call. And on this call, what we do is when you register for the call, you get a copy of a PDF I've created, which I call my end of year ritual. This year is particularly special um, because it's not only the end of a year, it's the end of a decade. And the end of the year period is a very powerful time to set intentions and also to reflect on the year that is coming to a close and what you've accomplished and all that has happened for you this year from a place of deep gratitude. And many of you know the power of gratitude, right? The power of gratitude has the power to literally change the way your brain functions. So this is an opportunity in a very busy season, a holiday season, to take the time to reflect, to do the work of reflecting and setting clear, powerful intentions for 2020, for the year that's coming, for the new decade that's coming for yourself. And when you do that, and then you have the opportunity on this call to be witnessed in that, it's even more powerful. In the past, magic and miracles have manifested for people. I remember one year, one participant said to me, the exact number that she had put on the paper the year before, what she had earned, and she didn't even think it was possible. So what possibilities can we open up for you for 2020? Come to the call and find out. I'd love to play with you. So go ahead and click the link below and register, and I will see you on the December the 5th at 7 p.m. Eastern. Take care. Bye.